Imagine having a digital employee that never sleeps, one that can juggle dozens of tasks at once, switch between tools seamlessly, and work 24 hours a day without complaint. That is not science fiction. That is 2026, and it is happening right now. We are in the middle of the biggest shift in artificial intelligence since ChatGPT launched. But this time, it is not about better chatbots. It is about AI agents, autonomous systems that do not just answer questions. They take action. So what exactly is an AI agent? It is not a chatbot. Chatbots are reactive. You ask a question, they give you an answer. The conversation ends. An AI agent is fundamentally different. It is goal-driven. You tell an agent what you want to accomplish, not how to do it. The agent figures out the steps, creates a plan, and executes across multiple tools. You ask a chatbot to book a flight, it might give you suggestions. An AI agent will search for flights, compare prices, check your calendar, book the ticket, add it to your itinerary, and send you a confirmation, all in one go. This is the shift from instruction-based computing to intent-based computing. You state the outcome and the agent determines how to deliver it. So how do these agents actually work? AI agents operate through a continuous perception, reasoning, action loop. They observe their environment, analyze data, plan actions, and execute tasks autonomously. First, perception. The agent scans the current state, reading emails, checking databases, monitoring networks, pulling CRM data. Next, reasoning. The agent uses that context to make decisions. It weighs options, predicts outcomes, and chooses the best path forward. Then, action. The agent executes. It calls APIs, triggers workflows, updates databases, sends messages, coordinates with other agents. Finally, learning. The agent ingests feedback. Did the task succeed? Did something go wrong? It updates its model and gets better over time. This entire loop happens continuously. The agent is not waiting for you. It is always running, always watching, always ready to act. But here is where things get really interesting. These agents do not work alone. The future of AI is not one super agent that does everything. It is teams of specialized agents working together. This is called a multi-agent system. Imagine a workforce where one agent summarizes meetings, another books flights, a third analyzes customer calls, a fourth monitors network security, all working together, coordinating like a human team. Companies that tried building monolithic agents learned they fail catastrophically. When a generalist agent makes a mistake, it can take down entire workflows. Specialized agents do one thing perfectly, and when they fail in isolated, controllable ways. So instead of one massive agent, you build a digital assembly line, multi-step workflows where specialized agents run a process from start to finish. And this is made possible by something called the Model Context Protocol, or McPattysy. McPattysy is two AI agents what USB-C is two devices. Before USB-C, every device had its own proprietary cable. USB-C created one universal standard. McPattysy does the same for AI. It provides one universal, open standard for connecting AI systems with data sources and tools. Anthropic released McPattysy as open source in November 2024. Within months, OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and dozens of platforms adopted it. Today, thousands of McPattysy servers exist. McPattysy client connects to McPattysy server. That server exposes tools or data sources. The agent discovers what tools are available, requests data, and triggers actions through one protocol. A customer service agent using McPattysy can access your CRM to pull order history, check warehouse inventory, generate a shipping label, and send a Slack notification, all without custom integrations. McPattysy also supports dynamic discovery. The agent can discover new tools on the fly and start using them immediately. This makes multi-agent systems scalable. Agents can plug into new data sources and workflows without requiring a developer to rewrite code every time. Now, if you are thinking this sounds powerful but also slightly terrifying, you are not alone. Giving AI agents the ability to act autonomously raises massive questions around security and trust, and enterprises are taking this seriously. The answer is governance frameworks. If AI agents are joining the workforce, they need rules and oversight. One key safeguard is identity and access control. Companies assign each agent a unique digital identity. Every action the agent takes is tracked. Microsoft gives every agent an enterprise identity via its Entra ID system, ensuring agent activity is visible and manageable. Another safeguard is real-time monitoring. Companies implement dashboards showing what all their AI agents are doing, with flags that alert compliance officers if an agent steps outside its boundaries. There is also the concept of minimum required permissions. Give the agent only the minimum permissions it truly needs, nothing more. For sensitive operations, companies require human approval before the agent can execute. The agent proposes the action and waits for a human to sign off. So what does all of this look like in the real world? In customer service, agents are moving from reactive support to proactive resolution. If a delivery van breaks down, a logistics agent can automatically reschedule the delivery, apply a service credit, and notify the customer before they even realize there is a delay. In cybersecurity, AI agents handle threat detection and response autonomously. They monitor network traffic, identify anomalies, open tickets, and alert security teams. McKinsey estimates these productivity gains could unlock $2.9 trillion in economic value by 2030. In software development, agents iterate through entire development cycles without human oversight. They write code, run tests, debug errors, and push updates autonomously. In sales, agents enrich lead data by pulling information from dozens of sources, updating CRM records, and personalizing outreach at scale. The common thread is this: agents are not replacing humans. They are handling the repetitive mechanical work so humans can focus on the creative strategic decisions. Where is all of this heading? By 2030, researchers predict multi-agent systems will be the dominant form of enterprise AI. Companies will deploy fleets of specialized agents that coordinate like teams. We are seeing the rise of agentic browsers. Tools like Perplexity's Comet and Microsoft's Copilot in Edge are reframing the browser as an active participant. Instead of helping you search for vacation details, they book the vacation. Low-code platforms are making it easier to build custom agents. Tools like Na10 let non-technical users create sophisticated agent workflows without writing code, and as AI models get better at reasoning, agents will get better at handling edge cases and complex tasks that require judgment. But there are still challenges. Security remains an ongoing concern. In November 2025, Anthropic disclosed how its Claude Code agent had been misused to automate parts of a cyber attack, and there are open questions around liability. If an autonomous agent makes a mistake, who is responsible? These are legal questions courts and regulators are only beginning to address. But despite these challenges, the momentum is undeniable. Enterprises are deploying agents now, and the results are real. 2026 is the year AI stopped being a tool and started being a workforce. Hi everyone, Mark here. If you are fascinated by the engineering of the future, subscribe and follow for more science, natural, and cosmic content.